The universe will be against me if I fail to share this manna with you. It was a Sunday morning, and this is what I made for my family. Hello, creative bangers. Is another banger. Start by adding instant yeast in a bowl, sugar, and warm milk. You can substitute warm milk with warm water. Go ahead and mix to combine very well. Once that is done, I move in with a beaten egg, vanilla flavor, butter, or margarine, depending on the one that you have. Yeah, you can use either of them. Moving with flour. Always sift your flour before making use of it. All right. To the flour, I added salt. Start mixing. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, once the dough is about to come together, I transfer to the work surface. Continue mixing and kneading till you form a smooth popping dough, just like this one. Yeah, we are going to knead today because this is a bread dough. Now I'm going to transfer the dough back into the mixing bowl. Cover and keep anywhere warm around my home to proof. While the dough is proofing, let's mix the filling. In another bowl, I'm going to move in with chopped cucumbers, onion, fresh tomatoes, spring onion, some bell pepper. I'm going to be adding raisins. If you don't want raisins, you can skip it. But trust me, it's added to this recipe. Then I move in with mayo. Go ahead and mix to combine very well. Oh my word, we have cucumber salad before us. If you are with me at this moment, type cucumber salad at the comment section. Go ahead and set it aside. Back to the dough. That is, after about 40 minutes, look at that. It has doubled in size. Deflect the dough, transfer back to the work surface. I'm going to knead for a few seconds again, then I'm going to divide into two. Now, when I divide, B is going to be a little bit bigger than A, all right? A is going to stay under, while B is going to be used as the cover page. Keep watching, you will understand what I mean. Dust the work surface with some flour. Place Mr. A, all right? We are going to roll Mr. A into a round shape. Shout out to you, Neymar, watching from Malawi. Laurent from France. Hadija Losika from Kenya. Bukola watching from Nigeria, and Anita Fernandez all the way from India. Whoops. Oh, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? All right, while you are rolling, you should be measuring with the size of your pan, okay, as you can see on the video. Once I get to the size of my pan, I'm going to lift the beautiful dough straight into the well-greased baking pan. Be sure to grease your pan before transferring the dough, all right? Okay, now we're moving with the yummy cucumber salad. Look at how colorful that salad is. You need to try this at home. Use it to eat bread and get back to me. Okay, now you can see that after adding the cucumber salad, you can see that I still have enough space. You don't need to use the salad to cover the entire dough, all right? Now we'll bring Mr. A, roll into a round shape just like we did at the beginning. Now, before you cover with the last dough, you are going to place some boiled egg on top of the salad before covering. I forgot to do that and I later did it, okay? Please don't forget to add some boiled eggs. You can see I inserted a clip where I was adding the eggs, okay? Please do that. Add some boiled eggs before doing the final covering. Okay, once you place the last dough, you are going to make sure that the two are together, please. Once the two are together, this is the way you should fold. You fold it behind, all right? Now, once that is done, you are going to arrange properly. You should have this popping yummy dough. Now, cover and allow to proof for the second time. 20 minutes later, it has doubled in size. We are getting there. Now, get your baking tray and transfer the dough. Now you can bake just the way it is, but I'm going to brush with a beaten egg. This is going to give it a shine at the end of the baking. Are we done yet? No, you know your girl, always getting it twisted. Now I'm going to place some spring onions and some bell pepper. This is just to give it more appetizing look. Look at that. It is looking so good. Time to bake. Bake in a preheated oven for 30 minutes. Chakam. And there you have it. Look at that. Creative bangers. Have you been wondering what that manna they told us in the Bible? You remember the story of manna. What that manna looks like. That is that manna before you. If you are with me at this moment, type a manna before me at the comment section. Do we love this banger? Do we? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.